There are several couples where men are younger than their wives or partner. Basically, many men are attracted to this concept. This is not something new, however, now it is quite common in our society as well. Several men have admitted that there are some reasons why they are attracted to older women and like to have them as their partner or wife. So what are those reasons that make them crazy about older women? In this video, we will talk about 5 reasons why younger men like older women. Number 1, older women are emotionally mature. Younger people are filled with energy and hormones that emotions can get out of control, and they are not skilled enough in controlling them. But an older woman is enough skill and emotionally mature as they know how to control her emotions. There are a few men who want no drama or anything as such, but want someone who is emotionally mature and can understand him in a better way. They are also helpful as emotional support, because they have more knowledge about the world and are even experienced in life. Number 2, young man gets to learn a lot from them. Dating an older woman is like learning new things every day, learning new perspectives in a new way, as they not only view the world differently, but they also hold opinions in different and reasonable ways. Young man gets to know about the world, about handling a few situations and how to overcome certain things. Thus, it helps them to gain knowledge and more experience. As it is said that the older you are, the more experience you have, the more you can teach. It helps young men to expand themselves intellectually and grow more and more. Number 3, older women are independent and confident. Most young women are more concerned about what people will think about them or their personality. It often leads to superficial and insecure tendencies, but older women are more experienced and have a piece of better knowledge as they have gone through that phase. They have a better idea of who they are and what really matters in their life. Older women hardly care about what other things about them. They are independent in all ways and are confident enough to deal with people in every situation, making young men fall more for them. Number 4, older women are stable and matured. They are stable in almost all ways, be it financially or emotionally. As with older women, not only you get some additional knowledge, but also the bills are evenly split. It gives additional benefits to young men, as they don't have to worry about financing another person's life. It even gives a valid reason that they are in love with you and only you. They are not only stable but mature enough to take a decision, to help you, guide you in the right way, and handle situations in a better manner. It is one of the reasons why younger men like older women. Number 5, they are experienced. They are experienced in every aspect, be it in handling situations or in a more intense way. They have more experience with everything, and it helps you to learn from them in all aspects. One major reason why younger men prefer older women over young women is that they have experienced. And this experience not only makes their relationship strong, but also gives a way to function smoothly and in a more gentle way.